Hi, kindergartners. This is Miss Crute. Today we're going to read a story about shapes. It's going to go through and show you what each shape looks like, and then we're going to count how many are in each picture. Here we go. 1 octagon. Point on your screen to which shape is an octagon. It's the stop sign here. 2 trapezoids. The trapezoids are the cat's glasses. 1, 2. 3 diamonds. What object is a diamond? The kites. 1, 2, 3. 4 hexagons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 hearts. What object is the heart? A balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 squares. The squares are the presents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 ovals. What animal did they use for the ovals? Fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10 triangle trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now go look at the handout and review your shapes before you start your shape robot.